What's up, Internet? Senior Whoopi here, back with another unboxing, and today I've got a pair of shoes here that are not just any shoes. These are work boots from, you probably read the title of this video already. These are Timberlands. Timberland had a wonderful, wonderful Black Friday sale to where I was able to purchase these for about 88 bucks. And I've been like procrastinating about getting work boots for work for a long time. They're supposed to give us work boots for free, but they haven't, and I don't think they're ever going to. So I took it upon myself to protect my own toes and get myself some waterproof steel toe boots. So let's crack into this. Got the return label. Ooh. We've got information. Yeah, I paid $81.20 for these. Nothing too extra in the box, just a shoebox in here. Empty box, no swag, no free stickers. Timberland, come on. This is the Timberland Pro box. I don't know if you can see how orange that is. That's very orange. It says Timberland Pro on the back. Big old Pro logo. Ooh, the bottom is orange. Here's the shoe information. Safety steel toe, waterproof seam sealed, 18 kilovolt electrical hazard. That doesn't sound good. It makes it sound like it is a hazard. Antimicrobial odor control and rubber outsole. Not bad. So we've got a pair of size 11 Timberland boots. I hope these fit me well. If they don't, Timberland has a wonderful return policy. Oh, it's got this little like thing in it. Ooh, what's that say? We're giving away $10,000. Learn more at headtotoepro.com. Timberland, you should pay me for this sponsorship. But yeah, there it is. This has got like a list of all the information about the shoe, the things that it does. It protects against that static electricity. So that's what that electricity thing was about. I might keep those. I love this paper. Let me see if I can show you guys what the inside looks like. Ooh, they're separated by like a little piece of cardboard here. This paper is real nice. Recycled. Says it's recycled. 100% recycled. Good job, Timberland. Timberland, I ordered a lot of things online, and Timberland was the only website that offered to have lesser shipping and plant a tree. Rather than getting it in 2 days, I got it in 5 days. And like, I wasn't prepared to receive anything within 5 days anyway, so I wanted it to take longer. And if I could have them plant a tree in the same thing, like, cool, why not? It says waterproof right there. That's cool. Little tab thing. Real thick. So this is going to add like an inch to my height. Like, I need that. But I like these. I was trying to go for the traditional Timberland look, which is like that almost yellow suede with a black leather cuff and chunky bottom. And I think this is almost identical to that shoe. It's got the Timberland logo in there. It says Pro. Oh, these are heavy. I'm gonna stomp some mud holes with these. Very nice, very nice. Let's see if there's anything on the inside. They come with these laces, which look high quality. Oh, it's kind of like a weird aglet. It's like just dipped in wax, but just barely. I don't know if you can even see that from... I can see it perfectly, but you can't see that. But it's like, this one's crooked, which is kind of weird. How many aglets on shoes do you see that are crooked? They've got metal eyelets going all the way down. That's nice and professional. I like that. Inside says Thermolite 200 grams. What? Okay. Supposed to keep your feet really warm. That's good. It's been so cold lately. I think it's like 30 degrees outside with a low of 22. These shoes passed quality control from number 70. 70 who? 73? The iPhone's not going to focus on that. Yeah. About that, I'm filming on my mom's iPhone. She's here with me in Sevierville. My phone, I went to record over 5 minutes worth of footage the other day, and it just deleted all of it as soon as I got done filming. Like, why? I was filming a video about Travis Scott's cereal, and it just gone. It's just gone with the wind. All those funny comments I made, me making cereal with... I made Reese Puff cereal, and I put bananas, blueberries, and strawberries on top of that. And that made some people angry. Like, you can't do that to sugary cereal. It's like, yeah, I can. I just did. Watch me. I like fruit. Nothing wrong with fruit. Kind of see some of the interior there. I don't know if you can see inside the shoe. In the bottom it says Timberland Pro. Ooh. Anti-fatigue technology. So if these end up making me not so tired, I will be sure to tell you. For these shoes, I'm going to be wearing them a lot. I'm going to be wearing them to work. So I think this will be like one of those shoes that I do a follow-up for. Like in a month's time, like I wore these shoes for a month. This is what I think of them. Oh, I can feel that steel toe. That's going to be good. I had like more than enough close calls to where I thought to myself, okay, I really need steel toe boots. So I went out and got some. I think these look good. I think they would look good with my outfit right now. I've got like the button down that's kind of gray. I got black shirt on, black hat. Hell, black goes with everything. So as long as I can keep these clean. This isn't a suede upper. It's like a leather, but it's like a synthetic leather. It's not real cowhide or anything like that. Well, I could be wrong about that. It smells like real leather. It was surprising that Timberland was the only one with a special discount, not discount, but like something for helping the environment. Like Nike doesn't do that, Adidas doesn't do that, StockX doesn't do that, Supreme doesn't do that, Vans doesn't do that, Columbia doesn't do that, North Face doesn't do that. Nobody does that. But they gave me the option to delay the shipping and get a free tree planted in my name. So you go Timberland, go. And I definitely support Timberland. I've always liked their products. I've never really purchased anything from their online website, but I can tell you now that it worked perfectly. I did use like that web browser. I won't mention it because they normally like to sponsor YouTubers, and I would like to be sponsored, so I'm not going to give them any free advertising, but there's those like extensions for your browser where it saves you money. It just like looks for codes. That worked for the first time on Timberland, and it saved me like $30, so that was good. You probably know what it is if you want one of those extension things for your browser. It doesn't work on phones for some reason, but I always use retailmenot.com. Hey, sponsor me. Nobody mentions that one. It's just like you type in retailmenot.com and then the name of whatever you're trying to get a code for, and it'll give you like codes. It might save you some money. So, yeah. If these shoes interest you, I will put a link in the description. Don't let me forget. And then you can go check them out yourself. But Timberland has like 100 different pairs of boots, and they all look kind of similar. And there's about 6 different varieties that look like this. So I think I did a good job. These almost look like Doc Martens if you look at them from a certain angle. And I was in between this and Doc Martens. That's why I mentioned that. They were so close. They were so similar in price and style and comfort. So, but these were just a little bit better. Just a little bit better. And Timberland is a real trusted name. They have a great return policy, so I figured I would go with these. And I will let you guys know how that works out. But I am gonna go ahead and end this video here. I hope you guys enjoyed this video. Don't forget to leave a comment down below. Let me know what you think about the shoes. Tell me when you'd like me to give an updated video, like a month, 2 months, 3 months, something like that. How long you think you would be using boots for if you're on like one of those jobs where you travel across the country, work for a few months, and then come back, you just need a boot for about that long. Something like that. But yeah, don't forget to like, subscribe, share, favorite, turn on notifications, and leave comments. I love you guys. Go out there, find yourself some new shoes if you want to. I know I love finding new shoes. So, yeah. I mean, I'm wearing new shoes right now. They're on my feet. Not those boots, but different shoes. Hopefully you saw them in the last video, but I'll show you again. I'm proud of them. These Vans with the fur. With the fur. All right. I'll see you guys in the next video. I am going to move on to the next box here, which is a Nike box. So if you want to see this video, definitely subscribe and stay tuned for this one, and you'll see it in the next video. Ta-ra!